This is the cornea.
Cornea and the sclera, the outermost layer of the eye. This is the choroid, the second layer of the eye. And this is the iris, the colored surface of the eye. Now, it's
The pupil
opening.
pa nga eh.
Ito inside. The pupil is the at the center.
The opening where the light enters.
The light.
Yes.
Then you
And?
can see inside the lens. This is the lens. See it? It's attached to the ciliary body, the red portion in the retina.
Capillary muscle.
Capillary. The retina is the third layer of the eye. This is the brown portion. And then you can see the
Bea centralis.
Hindi yun Pubea centralis. Ano ba?
Bilisan mo! Yung
Nakalimutan